Pioneers, Henry and John Adam Barber. The year was 1862. Abraham Lincoln was president. The country was divided by a civil war. But two cabinet makers in Wisconsin decided to bring their families to the desolate prairie of Iowa and homestead. John Adam Barber, 26, his wife Martha, and daughters Libby and Melinda, and his father Henry, 52, with 7 children, left Wisconsin where they had lived for 12 years. It took a month, with the men walking and driving a team of oxen pulling a lumber wagon with their possessions, and the women and children in a spring wagon pulled by a pony. At some point they had to cross the Mississippi River on a ferry boat. Wisconsin's economy had been hurt by the secession of the southern states and the loss of revenue from their crops. Because of a new draft law, Wisconsin had to supply almost 50,000 men for the war. The new Homestead Act of 1862 offered them new opportunities in Iowa. Their first winter was spent in a log cabin shared with 2 other families. The next spring, John and Henry both homesteaded, and it was hard work for 2 cabinet makers who had never been farmers. Martha made clothes from unbleached muslin she dyed using the husks of black walnuts. A plague of grasshoppers started attacking the fields in 1773 and kept it up for 4 years, destroying crops. In 1879, an exciting event occurred when a giant meteorite hit in Estherville. While in Iowa, John and Martha had 3 more children, Frank, Millie, and Harry. They lived long lives, celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary in 1906. They went on to have 8 more wedding anniversaries. They are buried in Estherville, along with Henry, who died in 1891. But let's go back to why they were in Wisconsin for 12 years. Rhode Island was the home of the Barbers since 1633, when James Barber came from England. Jonathan Barber had fought in the Revolutionary War. But life was hard for the Henry Barber family. When he was 8, John made clothespins he sold for a penny for a dozen. At age 10, he worked in a mill. At age 14, he quit school and labored cutting marsh grass with a scythe. When he was 15, they left for Wisconsin. Probably they took a train to Albany, New York, and then the Erie Canal to Buffalo, New York, where they boarded a steamer to travel on Lake Erie. They bought a team of oxen and an old wagon and made their way to their new home where they lived for 12 years in Wisconsin. Then their great adventure to Iowa, where their story really